study done that you're talking about in collaboration with IBA University, because being the number one business university in the country, having supported and worked with a lot of women who start businesses, they had a lot of knowledge of this. तो हमने उनके साथ एक स्टडी की जो ना सिर्फ कराची लेकिन दूसरे एरियाज पे भी उसका इम्पैक्ट आ रहा था. There is a lot more that needs to be done. Women are doing small cottage industries in different places in urban centers around Khairpur se leke Larkana, Sakhar, all of that. But I think that there is a lot more that we need to do in order to incorporate them into the business space. One of the crazy and amazing things that's happened across Pakistan is that, even if I go to, I'm a farmer myself, when I go to my agricultural lands, I see from the kids to their mothers to their fathers, everyone using smartphones, right?
Yeah.
So this revolution of smartphones across the country, I think, has been phenomenal, and make people aware of the benefits and the things that we offer. I think it's a huge step. Uske baad, the SPOS platform itself being something that could be accessed not just in rural Sindh, Thatar, Nawabshah, Tur Mahmud Khan, anywhere, लेकिन पूरी दुनिया से लोग उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट लिमिटेड, इट्स नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू वन प्लेस.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं शार्लिन अंसारी, आपकी होस्ट, और आपको खुशामदीद करती हूं एसपॉस पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ में. नाजरीन, देखा आपने कि पिछली कॉन्वर्सेशन में हमने कितनी ज़बरदस्त बातें की थी सिंध के इकोनॉमिक इवॉल्विंग रोल के ऊपर और उसके प्रोग्रेस के ऊपर. तो उसी कॉन्वर्सेशन को आइए कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने गेस्ट के साथ, जो कि हैं मिस्टर सैयद कासिम नवीद कमर, स्पेशल असिस्टेंट टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ सिंध फॉर investment and public-private partnership as well, and he's also one of the key driver of investment reforms and also SPOS as well. तो जी कासिम साहब, आइए इस कॉन्वर्जेशन को कंटिन्यू करते हैं और हम बात करते हैं. So we talk about investors consistently emphasizing on predictability, transparency, and also ease of doing business. And also these are the critical factors in investment decisions anybody would be taking. Yes. So what key reforms is the government of Sindh undertaking to strengthen the regulatory consistency, improving the policy, as well as simplifying the processes, so that entrepreneurs can clearly understand the requirements and the timelines and also the procedures when they are interacting with the government?
So we had this program that was supported by the World Bank, the Ease of Doing Business program, that was part of the investment department as well. उसमें हमने क्या किया कि हमारे बहुत सारे कानून जो 1960s 70s से चलते आ रहे हैं और आज के दिन में वो उनमें से बहुत सारे ऑब्सोलीट थे, ठीक है, दे वर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, लेकिन उनकी बुनियाद पे आपके हमारे डिफरेंट ऑफिसर्स कभी कभार बिजनेसेस में जाके उनको उस बात पे थोड़ा सा तंग करते थे क्योंकि कानून में था. सो वो भी मजबूर थे, लेकिन at the same time there was no requirement for them, there was no need for them in today's day and age. So we've done this regulatory guillotine जिसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे कानून हमने modify किए हैं in different departments and we're trying to eliminate and trying to update it to today's requirements and today's needs. Okay, that's one step. The other thing that we're doing in terms of ease of doing business is the SPOS program, where we try to consolidate all the departments and we try to offer everything that they're offering onto one platform. Other than this, there's SEDF that's doing different programs where anyone, say you wanted to start a business, बल्कि अब सारे आपके नाजरीन को मैं कहता हूँ कि आप लोग आएँ और sedf.gov.gos.pk उस पर उसको देखें या come and visit us and I'll guide you through it. कोई भी टेक्निकल फीजिबिलिटी आपको बनानी हो फॉर एनी बिजनेस दैट यू वांट टू स्टार्ट, चाहे वो होम बेस्ड बिजनेस हो, फूड पैंडा पे कुछ आपने करना है या आपने कोई फैक्ट्री लगानी है छोटी या बड़ी, उसकी फीजिबिलिटी विल वर्क विथ यू टू डेवलप दैट फीजिबिलिटी. और फिर उसके बाद अगर आपको फाइनेंसिंग चाहिए तो हम बैंक्स पे जाएंगे आपके साथ और उनको जो भी आपकी फाइनेंसिंग होती है उसका पूरा इंटरेस्ट का कंपोनेंट, जो काइबोर्ड का कंपोनेंट है, वो पूरा हम अब्जॉर्ब करेंगे. सो यू एंड अप पेइंग जस्ट द प्रिंसिपल एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, which is something offered only by the government of Sindh. No other government in the country is offering it, and I think even in the region we don't have a program like this. So I think if more people take advantage of this, we can have much more industry coming up across the province. And even in those days, बल्कि ज़रूर मैं ये mention करूँगा कि हमारे इंटरेस्ट रेट्स अभी तो थोड़े कम हुए हैं, लेकिन कुछ टाइम पहले आपको भी याद होगा कि दे वेंट अप टू ऑलमोस्ट 22%।
यस।
और उस टाइम पे जब मईशत का बिल्कुल बुरा हाल हुआ था और इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का कोई चांस नहीं था, तब भी हमारे पास हमारे ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड में है कि वी हेल्प्ड स्टार्टअप बिजनेसेस एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन in the province of Sindh even at that time.
Yeah.
So very
Yeah.
proud of that.
No, that's wonderful. I think Sindh is doing a lot of great work in, like was mentioning in the start, also evolving role of economic perspective in Sindh and in Pakistan as well. But inclusive growth only happens when you enable women entrepreneurs as well along the way,
Absolutely.
considering that there are a lot of structural barriers exist, right? But I've seen that women in particularly rural areas are usually very deprived of resources, and
Yes.
they have very limited facilities available, or they cannot have the access to the opportunities as compared to the urban areas women. So keeping all of that in mind, I've seen that women entrepreneurs के ऊपर एक सर्वे भी किया था IB कराची ने, और उसकी स्टडी ने भी यही बताया कि ख़वातीन जो हैं वो बहुत सारे challenges face करती हैं as compared to men, and that is obviously because of the rural areas के अपने अपने एक systems होते हैं. So in this context, what steps do you think is Sindh government taking to support and empower women in the rural areas, and also how SPOS is designed specifically to support women-led business entrepreneurs and also to make their journey easier?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि आपको पता है कि हमारे विमेन एम्पावरमेंट तो हमारे एज अ member of the Pakistan People's Party for generations now. It's in our DNA to empower women. So there was no chance of doing this or any other program without incorporating the views and the struggles faced by women in order to fix them, right? तो उसका solution हमने ये सोचा कि सबसे पहले we would get this study done that you're talking about in collaboration with IBA University, because being the number one business university in the country, having supported and worked with a lot of women who start businesses, they had a lot of knowledge of this. तो हमने उनके साथ एक स्टडी की जो ना सिर्फ कराची लेकिन दूसरे एरियाज पे भी उसका इम्पैक्ट आ रहा था. And then obviously that was a long standing thing about different friends of mine, women who work in businesses, who have their own businesses. We got opinions from them as well. And we're trying to rectify some of the things to make it easier for women and offer certain programs. For example, again, I'll take you back to SCDF. उसमें different sectors में हम support करते हैं, right? Agriculture, mining. But one of them that we give a lot of support for is women-led businesses, right? So again, I would invite you come and start up your business and see all the support that we
Thank you.
offer. But that's on the urban area side, right? Rural areas में there is a lot more that needs to be done. Women are doing small cottage industries in different places in urban centers around Khairpur se leke Larkana, Sakhar, all of that. But I think that there is a lot more that we need to do in order to incorporate them into the business space. We have so much talent with women across the province, but I think they need to stop shying away from getting into businesses and take that dive and see that the government of Sindh is standing with them with all the programs that we offer.
Yeah, yeah. I think you rightly said, because women empowerment is definitely something that Sindh government is working upon in many kind of initiatives as well. And so that's wonderful. I mean, I look at the vision that you have, that's great. So effectiveness, of any reform is basically measured by how it is being implemented in the underserved communities. City में तो obviously होता है, but जो underserved communities हैं वो बड़ा major challenge होता है for any reform
Sure,
to
of
be
course.
there. So considering that, reaching women entrepreneurs in the rural Sindh can be especially very challenging due to limited access to financial and resources, information, and all of that. What measures are being taken by the Sindh government and especially SPOS or other initiatives also to ensure rural women entrepreneurs are included and benefit from all of them? What exactly are we doing on that part?
So, one of the crazy and amazing things that's happened across Pakistan is that, even if I go to, I'm a farmer myself, when I go to my agricultural lands, I see from the kids to their mothers to their fathers, everyone using smartphones, right?
Yeah.
So this revolution of smartphones across the country, I think, has been phenomenal. And taking advantage of that, if we are able to disseminate some of this information and make people aware of the benefits and the things that we offer, I think it's a huge step. उसके बाद the SPOS platform itself being something that could be accessed not just in rural Sindh, Thatar, Nawabshah, Tur Mahmud Khan, anywhere. लेकिन पूरी दुनिया से लोग उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं,
Wonderful.
राइट? सो इट्स नॉट लिमिटेड, इट्स नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू वन प्लेस. सो दैट्स हाउ वी कीप इट ओपन. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट, जैसे मैंने मेंशन किया कि हमारा बिजनेस फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर जो कराची में है, वो इंशाल्लाह ताला हम चाहे सखर हो, खैरपुर हो, गोटकी हो, वी प्लान टू ओपन इट एवरीवेयर एंड वी प्लान टू इनवाइट women to join our entrepreneurial force so that we can really make a change and an impact across the province.
That's such a great vision, and that's such a, you know, thoughtful initiative on your part, especially to support and empower women, because that's like half of the country almost.
Exactly.
So yeah, so you know, I mean, it's great to see how you guys, how Sindh government has launched this SPOS, Sindh Business One Stop Shop, because I think this is one of a kind, and this is a pioneering initiative by the government of Sindh, I believe, and no other government has really come up with it so far. So do you think it's going to be expanded like across Pakistan, or is it only going to be limited in Sindh only?
So whether it was the regulatory reforms that I talked about earlier, or the Sindh Business One Stop Shop, you know, we really do consider ourselves and have put a lot of value in the fact that Sindh is the economic powerhouse of the country, right? उसको build करने के लिए we have taken lead in both of these programs. SPOS हमने establish कर दिया, BFC भी हमने बना लिया. Other provinces are also following in these steps, but they have not reached quite at that level. But I'm hopeful for the sake of our country as a whole, that whether it's the federal government or other provinces, they should also think along these lines, because you know, technology is not something that is restricted to anyone. It makes everyone's lives easy, and it's a very simple process to be able to automate some of these things. So I think other provinces will follow, and we will guide and support them and help them to do this in the future.
That's wonderful. Sindh has basically set the trend, I believe.
Absolutely.
That's great.
We're the
I
trailblazers
take
for
pride in
this.
that,
Yes.
being you know, being a
Absolutely.
part of
Yeah.
Sindh as well.
Yeah.
So that's wonderful. That's great. So if you had to, as we move towards the conclusion of our podcast now, if you had to give one clear message to both local and international investors listening to this podcast, of course, what would that be?
Well, if I were to put it in one tagline, I would say
Yeah.
Sindh is open for business. And I'd invite all of you to come in and work with us and see wherever we can support. And you will see that we will go at an arm's length to be able to help you set up your business. चाहे आप कराची शहर में हो या सिंध के किसी भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, इन्वेस्टमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इज़ वेरी वेलकमिंग एंड वेरी फोर्थ कमिंग. और जो बेनिफिट्स और सर्विसेज हुकूमत की तरफ से ऑफ़र किए जाते हैं, वो हम आपको गाइड करेंगे, उनसे कैसे आप फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं. और जैसे आपको पता है कि हमारे मुल्क में हमारी इकॉनमी की जो रोलर कोस्टर राइड ऊपर नीचे हुई है, उसके बाद एम्प्लॉयमेंट का बहुत बड़ा मसला है. मेरे अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मुझे पता है कि कितनी 7.5 लाख पॉपुलेशन है, एंड उसमें से इतने सारे नौजवान हुआ. आई फील बैड कि इन सारों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए कोई ज़्यादा एवेन्यूज़ नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आपने, अगर मैंने, अगर हम सब ने मिल के चाहे वो छोटे या बड़े कारोबार शुरू किए, तो ना सिर्फ हम अपने लिए, अपनी खुद मुख्तारी के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम उन सारे लोगों के लिए जो हमारी कम्युनिटी में है, जो हमारे साथ हैं, जो मेहनत कश हैं, उनके लिए दरवाज़े खोल सकते हैं, ताकि हम एक साथ मिल के पाकिस्तानियों के तौर पे ज़्यादा बेहतर परफॉर्म कर सकें और एक दूसरे को साथ लेके आगे ग्रो कर सकें.
Absolutely. That's such a beautiful message.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. And before I actually move towards the ending, you know, we're all Sindhis, and this is, you know, for the province of Sindh. So, इतनी खूबसूरत language है Sindhi. You know, it has a deep history. It has a strong heritage. So I would like to request you to kindly share a message in सिंधी मां हाणे तव्हांखे इहो ई चवणु चाहींदमि त तव्हां हाणे सिंधी में असांजे सिंध जे बासियुनि खे को पैगाम ॾियो ऐं तव्हां छा चवणु चाहींदव उन्हनि खे असांजे सिंध जे माण्हुनि खे जेके असांखे ॿुधनि पिया।
जी थैंक यू। ऐं पंहिंजे सभु सिंध जे नौजवान भाउर भेनरुनि खे इहो ई मैसेज ॾियणु चाहींदुसि त असां एतिरे सालनि खां असीं सभु पाकिस्तान जी इकोनॉमी जा हालात ॾिसूं पिया ऐं मूंखे ख़बर आहे त इलाही सारा तव्हां मां यूनिवर्सिटीज़ मां ग्रेजुएट करे अॻियां पंहिंजे रोज़गार जे लाइ कुझु न कुझु करणु चाहियो था, पर ज़रूरी कोन्हे त असीं कंहिंजे आसरे ते वेठा हुजूं त असांखे नौकरियूं मिलनि ऐं असीं अॻियां वधी सघूं। छो न असीं हिकिड़ी पंहिंजी रेवोल्यूशन क्रिएट करियूं ऐं असीं पंहिंजा बिज़नेसिस स्टार्ट करियूं। हुकूमत सिंध इलाही सारी जायुनि ते इलाही सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में अहिड़ी शयूं ऑफर करे थी। ऐं तव्हांखे मिसाल ॾियां थो त असां वटि हिकिड़ी लेडी हुई जेका बदीन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पंहिंजो रेस्टोरेंट हलाईंदी हुई औरतुनि जे लाइ, ऐं उन खे असां विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूनिडो उन्हनि खे हिकिड़ो ग्रांट ॾिनो आहे त हुन नंढे हिकिड़े चांहि जे रेस्टोरेंट खे हाणे शी इज़ एबल टू इस्टेब्लिश। हुनखे मुंहिंजे ख़्याल 3 या 4 करोड़ रुपया असां ॾिना एंड एज़ अ ग्रांट नॉट अ लोन, हू वापसि कोन करणा हुआ। त हुननि पंहिंजो बिज़नेस इस्टेब्लिश कयो, औरतुनि जे लाइ हिकिड़ो सेफ ऐं कंफर्टेबल इन्वायरमेंट ठाहियो। त छो न असीं अहिड़े क़िस्म जा नंढा इंटरवेंशन्स करियूं सॼे सूबे में जंहिंसां असीं पंहिंजी ख़ुदि मुख़्तारी बि करे सघूं था ऐं पंहिंजे इर्द गिर्द दोस्तनि यारनि जी मदद बि करे सघूं था।
इहो इलाही सुठो ऐं इलाही मायने ख़ेज़ मैसेज तव्हां असांजे सिंध जे बासियुनि खे ॾिनो। आई एम श्योर सभिनि खे मैसेज वणियो बि हूंदो एंड दे लाइक इट एंड थैंक यू सो वेरी मच कासिम साहब फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम। आई नो यू हैव अ बिजी schedule but you took out time for us today and I'm absolutely inspired by the valuable insights you shared. So thank you so very much for this and we will wish you all the best in future inshallah ta'ala with all your efforts and initiatives inshallah to make Sindh more economically boosted inshallah ta'ala.
Thank you so much Shalini.
Thank you. जी नाज़रीन, तो देखा कि we had such a wonderful conversation with Mr. सैयद कासिम नवीद साहब और कितने ज़बरदस्त अंदाज में उन्होंने हमें बताया कि सिंध गवर्नमेंट ने इतने ज़बरदस्त इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं to enable and empower the people of Sindh. Now I think अगर सिंध गवर्नमेंट ने इतना बड़ा स्टेप लिया है आपके लिए, तो अब जो है ना वो बॉल आपके कोर्ट में है। अब क्लिक करो और बॉस बनो, क्योंकि अगर आप ख्वाब देख रहे हैं कि मैं अपना बिजनेस शुरू करूं, मैं खुद मुख्तारी की तरफ जाऊं, मैं अपना बॉस खुद बनूं, क्लिक करो ऐं बॉस थियो। एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू से वन मोर थिंग हियर कि देखें, इट्स ऑलवेज द बेस्ट टू बी टू ब्रिंग योर ड्रीम्स इन टू रियलिटी, क्योंकि उससे आप बहुत सेटिस्फाइड और कंटेंट भी रहते हैं और साथ साथ आप लोगों के लिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी क्रिएट कर रहे होंगे। सो आई एम जस्ट गोना से दैट क्लिक and be your own boss.